So guys, welcome to the channel again, and I have something special for you guys. It's a tool I've been using for a while, and it's something that it might not be for you, but it's something that you probably will need. It's one of those things where I don't you don't need it till you see it, then you realize that, oh, what have I been doing all my life without this tool? And today I'm bringing to you Fluid Voice. It's an open source tool that allows you to dictate and basically capture everything you're saying, and it gets pasted or put into any text or input field that is available. You can even just dictate just to keep, so you can have your thoughts on your laptop. So anyway, let's just jump right into it. Welcome to the Everytech That channel. I'm Toby, and today we're going to talk about Fluid Voice. Let's get into it now. So right now I'm on the FluidVoice website. You can visit at altic.dev, and this is the website. It's a pretty simple, nice looking website. We can just scroll through it to see what it looks like. It's a good one, just has text everywhere, basically explains one or two things and a few products that are coming soon. But we are here for Fluid Voice, so this is exactly where we need to be. So let's click on Explore Fluid Voice, and this is how you install it on your laptop. So it's basically multi-platform, so you can install it on your Mac and your Windows and also your iOS device. So I don't think there's an Android version, so you can basically have it with you for a nice animation. I like what the website just did. I look at that. That's really, the transition is lovely there. So you can install it by doing brew install dash cast, but you have to have Homebrew installed, or you can just click on this downloader and have it installed on your Mac. Because it has 8.9K stars on GitHub. I think it's going up. It's really, it's a nice software, and it's an alternative for Wispr Flow. For you guys, if you don't know what Wispr Flow is, it's a paid version of the same application. It basically offers the same functionality, but this one is open source and free. So let's just scroll down and see if there's anything we need to know on it. Of course, you can use it in Cloud Code. You can use it in dictating. This is your notes app, and the other things you can also do with it, but basically that covers it, and these are the features laid out as to what you can do. You can see it's 3.7 times faster than typing, which is absolutely why we need it, because we don't want to type all these words. You can just say it and then you have it written down for you. Okay, so not to take any of your time, let's see what it looks like when you install it. So I'm just going to switch over to the Fluid Voice application now. When you install FluidVoice and basically give it the permissions it needs, you're going to be met with this interface where you configure it or set it up completely. So I'm not going to bore you with all the details, but what you need to do is the first thing you must do on this application, because you want this to start up with your laptop when you turn it on, so you can start using it on the get-go. Or if you're someone that likes to turn on your applications based on your usage or your need, then you can always come here and toggle this button on or off. So now that I've toggled it on, it means that anytime my MacBook laptop comes on, it would also launch the Fluid Voice. So I can just start using it from the get-go. So if we come down to the next, this is where we can now select a model. So the model I wanted to have tested out, because I've tested a few of these models, including the Apple Silicon one, the one that ships with your MacBook. I've tested that one, but I think the blazing fast English only, that's Parakeet, by NVIDIA, is really good. As you can see, the speed is 100 and then the accuracy is 96%, which is absolutely amazing. And it's really small in size. You can see it's just 442.9 MB, which means that even on a 4 to 6 gigabytes, okay, let me be generous, maybe 8 to 16 gigabyte laptop, it would probably perform its best. So which must consider that, but it's really good, this model. Of course, when you're done with that, you can just head over to the get started page where you can take a look and basically set it up. I've done mine already. I've done the setup already, but I can literally click it to run the setup again, but I won't do that in this video. I just want to show you that these are all the steps that you need to get done for it to work pretty much perfectly on your laptop. Or so just scroll down, take a look at it, see what you need. And there are nice features here which I just found out, which is something like the command mode. It's really nice. Basically, you can instruct your laptop with your voice to do a specific task and it will do it. It's still in alpha, but I think it's something that you can test out and see how it works for you. Basically, you can tell your laptop, oh, create a folder here, and it's just going to do that. Or something like, okay, open your browser, which is Safari, and it opens it for you. Or voice command, which is pretty nice. I know, of course, something like Siri might be able to do something like that for you, but this also gives you an alternative that you can have an open model, open weight model attached to it that's basically much smarter than Siri is, and then you can do more complex tasks using your voice. Over here are your stats, so you see how many words you have said or how much you have used the application, and how well basically your track or your record on it. And yeah, so that basically covers it. So I have configured mine to use the right option alt key here. So if I just tap it now, you will see how it works. So I'm just going to head over to a document to show you how it works. So to test it out, we can open a fresh document. I'm going to be using Google Docs for this one to test it out, to show you how it works. But in my own use case, I tell a lot of random stories to my children, and I'm just going to tell one now, and you see how FluidVoice can really help with dial this in. So let's get started. I'm just going to hit the right option key now. A rabbit and a tortoise went down the road. But here's the thing, the rabbit was a double agent, and he had a friend called Rat. And Rat isn't really a trustworthy guy. He's a guy that basically has like he has like a gun, but then the gun he always puts it in his pocket. But I don't know. Something happened. Then an eagle came. The eagle grabbed the tortoise, but then because the rabbit is a double agent, he was able to talk to the eagle, and then the eagle let the rabbit go. uh, I think that's a good story. So I'll just stop that here now. So here you go. It just puts everything in the document without me even typing a single word. That's actually quite amazing. And this is one use case of FluidVoice. And I think that there are countless use cases. If you're someone that is in endless meetings, this is the perfect one for you. And guys, that is FluidVoice. We've come to the end of the video. I hope you love this tool. If you like it, please head over to the developer's GitHub and support him by starring the project, downloading it, and using it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.